Hello, dessert lovers, ready to embark on a sweet journey through Italy? Today, we're diving into 6 irresistible Italian desserts you simply must try. Grab your forks, let's go. First up, the legendary tiramisu. Layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and creamy mascarpone cheese make this a timeless favorite. Fun fact, tiramisu means pick me up in Italian, and trust me, one bite will lift your spirits. Next, we have cannoli from Sicily. These crispy shells filled with sweetened ricotta are pure bliss. They're so iconic that even the Godfather couldn't resist mentioning them. Check this out before we continue.
If you're traveling to Italy and plan to try some or all of these desserts, you can book your flight and hotel on Travala and pay with cryptocurrencies. Travala offers over 3 million travel products worldwide, allowing you to save up to 60% on 2,200,000 hotels, 600 airlines, and 410,000 activities. Check the description to book. Back to desserts.
3. Panna cotta, the cooked cream dessert that's as smooth as Italian opera. Often adorned with berries or caramel, it's a light yet indulgent treat. Ever tried sfogliatella? This Neapolitan pastry, also known as lobster tail, boasts layers of flaky dough encasing a sweet ricotta filling. It's a crunchy, creamy delight. We can't forget gelato. This Italian-style ice cream is denser and more flavorful than its counterparts. With flavors ranging from pistachio to stracciatella, there's a gelato for every palate. Lastly, zeppole, light, airy donuts traditionally enjoyed during St. Joseph's Day. Whether filled with custard or simply dusted with sugar, they're little bites of heaven. There you have it, 6 Italian desserts that are as rich in history as they are in flavor. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. Ciao!